Hey Katie, it is cycle 2, week 4, so last week of this cycle, and we'll get started on that work for baby to come next round. 360 breathing for this first breath embrace, 1 minute. I want you to do either a low inversion where we get a small box or chair and relax down onto your arms, straight back here. If you don't feel comfortable with that, if there's no one around, then you can always do a puppy pose where our chest goes on the ground and our butt stays high. I want you to really think about relaxing these abdominals as you do that 360 breathing for a minute in that position. Then you move into your warm-up for the day. If you're feeling it, if you're starting slow, doing correct form, you don't have to do this warm-up. We're doing same movements, same weights as last week. Since you were having a cold, you didn't feel great. So you modified, awesome. Let's pick back up here with those weights that I listed. I did give a suggestion for the dead bug position alternating floor press to use a wall or chair, and I do think you're familiar with this from last week. So you can always put your feet up on a wall so there's no coning, or you can rest them on a chair. But the trick is you still have to press that opposite leg into the chair or into the wall while you're doing it. Actually, you could arguably get more muscle activation with that that resistance that you have. Everything else is the same. Feel out that RDL. If you need to not use weight again, that's fine. That movement itself is that internal rotation. Prenatal running conditioning is a couplet, so I have two different things that you're going to move back and forth between. It's a moderate pacing. We're not sprinting. We're doing 3 minutes moderate on your bike, and then 30 lunges with internal rotation. 2 minutes on the bike, 20 lunges total. 1 minute on the bike, 10 lunges total. So use help if you need it for the lunges. You're going to reverse lunge as you rotate your belly to your thigh. Slow and controlled. This shouldn't be a fast movement, but if you need help, use help. Yes, when I'm done. And then lastly, your accessory work is 2 sets of 20 bent over dumbbell flies. Really light here. Those light dumbbells or plates, or even holding on to books or something in your hands. We're working that upper back, which you're going to need for that postpartum nursing or holding all the time. So hinge, flat back, squeeze the shoulder blades together at the top. I have a slight bend in my elbows that stays there. And those dumbbells go in a straight line back. If you can get yourself to do a little squeeze pause at the top, that's awesome. So high rep, lightweight here. Have fun.